Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have another mail call unboxing. This one comes from Facebook group MRCNC Coins and Collectibles. Go ahead and check them out. They post a bunch of really nice coins on there as well. Saw this one come across, definite blazer. There was two others that accompanied it, but I do already have those ones, so this one I definitely wanted to get, and I'm going to be sending this one off to be graded by NGC. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And Marlene, if you are watching this, again, thank you very much for the coin and for the great deal on it. I greatly appreciate it. Ooh, I just have a glimpse of it shining through the oh yeah. So you can already tell that it is a Morgan dollar. Oh cool, she gave me a little gift too. Nice little rounds. Oh, cool, I appreciate it. Alright, now back to this beast. Ooh. I'm trying to find something real quick. Very nice. Alright, so the reverse is definitely deep mirror. Not sold so much on the obverse. Thinking the obverse might be proof like. No? No? I'm wrong. You're more than 4 inches right there. 1.6. Yeah, no, this may actually come back deep mirror. Super nice. Oh, and Carson City, yep. Ah, super frosty, it's so nice. Well, I will send it off to NGC, see what they have to say about it. Again, thank you so much, Marlene, and thank you all for coming to my channel. I hope you have a great day.